Welcome to Nuance Power PDF, rights management services that offer PDF security without passwords. This presentation is for businesses that utilize Microsoft Active Directory. If you utilize a password to log into your computer and Office network, then you most likely have Microsoft Active Directory. You should consult your IT team about implementing this security feature. Now, let's see how it works inside of Nuance Power PDF. In this example, I'm looking at a top-secret business planning document. We're going to pretend that someone in my business group has smartly applied security to this document so that it can't be shared outside the company. Let me demonstrate the process that they would have used. On the Security tab, they selected RMS Security to be applied to this document. The software goes out and checks the Microsoft Active Directory server to see if the IT or security team has created security templates. They then would have selected a template that makes this document confidential to anyone outside my company network. In other words, if someone works for the company, they could open this document without any restrictions. But the moment it leaves our company network and someone else tries to open it, they will be stopped. So, I'm part of the strategy team, and I have a friend that works at another company who may be able to help me with ideas. He's not in a competing company, and I think I'm doing a better job by sharing information with him, but I'm really not supposed to do that. Remember that unknown to me, someone has already applied RMS security to this document to help protect me from myself. Now, let's see what happens when I try to share this document. Nuance Power PDF with RMS security can help protect you and your company from accidental or even intentional information leaks. My friend receives the email and tries to open the attachment. As you can see, he gets a message that tells him that he's not allowed to view the document. Only people who have an Active Directory access to my company network can see this file. If you use Active Directory at your place of work, you should consult with your IT or security staff about creating a template for RMS security, which is already included with Microsoft Server. There is no extra setup in Power PDF either. Once it's turned on in Active Directory, it just works. Nuance Power PDF is the secure and reliable way to protect documents without passwords.